How to fix Messenger messages not syncing on Android. This tutorial shows you how to get your messages loading and updating properly again. First, check your internet connection. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if that makes a difference. After that, reopen Messenger and check if your messages are now syncing properly. From here, if messages are still not syncing, open your Android settings. Scroll down and tap on Apps. Search for Messenger and tap on it to open the app info page. At this point, tap on Force Stop. Tap Force Stop again to confirm. After that, tap on Storage. From there, tap on Clear Cache. Once done, reopen Messenger and check if your messages are syncing. Let me show you what to do if they're still not loading. From here, if the issue is still there, open the Play Store. Search for Messenger at the top. Tap on Update if one is available, and wait for it to finish. Once updated, reopen Messenger and check if messages are now syncing correctly. At this stage, if messages are still not loading, tap on Storage again, and this time tap on Clear Data to do a full reset of the app. Then reopen Messenger and log back in. Your messages should now load and sync from Facebook servers. Finally, press and hold the power button until the power menu appears, and tap Restart. Once your device is back on, open Messenger and check if all your messages are syncing properly. And that's it. If this guide helped you fix, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.